Oromo beauty, the radiance, resilience, and heritage of the Oromo people. Oromo beauty is more than meets the eye. It's a radiant symbol of heritage, pride, and resilience, rooted in a history that transcends generations. Today, we'll explore the legacy of Oromo beauty, from legendary figures like Mahbuba to the elegance of modern Oromo women. Let's uncover the stories, traditions, and essence of one of Africa's most captivating cultures, and what makes Oromo beauty timeless and unforgettable. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone who loves culture and history. Let's spread the beauty of the Oromo people to the world. The unique beauty of Oromo people. Oromo beauty, known across Africa for its grace, is an enduring part of Ethiopia's rich cultural tapestry. But it's more than just appearances. It's a legacy woven through customs, clothing, language, and resilience. In this video, we'll explore what makes Oromo beauty unique, from ancient customs to the influential women who represent Oromo pride today. Here are some of the major things that depict the beauty of the Oromo people. 1. The timeless beauty of Oromo culture. In Oromo culture, beauty is deeply tied to tradition. Hairstyles, for instance, are unique expressions of identity. The Kari braids, adorned with beads, symbolize stages of life, marital status, and even strength. Jewelry holds meaning beyond adornment. Beaded necklaces, silver jewelry, and vibrant accessories each signify family heritage, status, and spirituality. The clothes and ornaments showcase Oromo pride. Traditional dresses, often decorated with intricate designs, carry symbols of Oromo identity. The rich colors and unique textures serve as a visual language, connecting each individual to their community and ancestry. These symbols have been preserved for centuries and remain a powerful part of modern Oromo identity. 2. Oromo women in history. Bilillee, Mahbuba, and other legendary figures. One of the most iconic figures representing Oromo beauty and resilience is Mahbuba, also known as Bilillee. Born around 1825 in the Kingdom of Gumma, she was captured and taken as a slave, later ending up in Germany. Known for her beauty and grace, Mahbuba shared the rich oral traditions of the Oromo people, introducing Europe to Oromo songs and stories that remain influential in Oromo language studies today. Her life story speaks not only of beauty but of resilience and cultural pride. She was a symbol of Oromo identity, proudly showcasing her heritage across foreign lands. Her influence laid a foundation that inspired a cultural appreciation of the Oromo people beyond Ethiopia's borders. But Mahbuba is just one of many remarkable Oromo women whose legacy has defined beauty in Oromo culture. Others, including warriors, poets, and leaders, have shaped history, each adding to the tapestry of Oromo pride and resilience. 3. Modern Oromo women. The legacy of beauty and influence. Today, Oromo women continue to embody the legacy of beauty, pride, and strength. Many have become influential figures in Africa and beyond, preserving Oromo traditions while embracing modernity. They are educators, artists, and activists who champion Oromo causes, each representing the beauty and dignity of their heritage. Quote from a modern Oromo influencer: "Being an Oromo woman is a pride. We carry our heritage, our beauty, and our strength everywhere we go. And it's this connection to our past that shapes who we are today." With hairstyles and attire inspired by ancestral practices, modern Oromo women blend tradition with modern trends, keeping their heritage alive while inspiring a new generation. Social media influencers and cultural advocates proudly showcase traditional attire and hairstyles, helping to share Oromo beauty with a global audience. 4. Beauty in tradition. Oromo songs, dances, and celebrations. Oromo beauty shines during cultural celebrations, where music, dance, and song create an atmosphere of pride and joy. The traditional Attire dance and the Oromo Gufta, ritual gatherings bring together young and old to celebrate community bonds. Women lead songs of resilience and heritage, which have been passed down through generations, giving voice to their pride. These gatherings are more than just celebrations, they're affirmations of identity. Through vibrant dances, traditional songs, and ceremonies, Oromo people preserve the beauty of their culture, reminding each generation of the pride and unity that defines them. 5. The art of Oromo self-expression, poetry, language, and storytelling. Beauty in Oromo culture is not limited to physical appearance. It extends to the art of storytelling, language, and poetry. Oromo people are known for their eloquence and poetic expression, with poets and storytellers using their art to convey emotions, celebrate heritage, and pass on cultural knowledge. The language itself, Afaan Oromo, is rich in expression, with nuanced phrases and idioms that reflect wisdom and cultural values. Poets and orators weave complex ideas into simple yet profound verses, creating an oral literature that resonates with audiences both locally and globally. Through their words, Oromo poets capture the beauty of life, love, and resilience, painting a vivid picture of their world. This oral tradition remains a crucial part of Oromo identity, showcasing beauty not only through appearance but through the spoken word. The beauty of the Oromo people is a blend of heritage, resilience, and grace. From Mahbuba's journey to the pride of modern Oromo women, beauty in Oromo culture remains a powerful symbol of identity. Whether through traditional attire, hairstyles, or the spoken word, Oromo people carry their legacy with pride and dignity. As we celebrate Oromo beauty, we honor the rich history, resilience, and unity that make the Oromo people truly unique. If you're as captivated by the beauty and strength of Oromo culture as we are, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Simaan Tube. Share this story with friends and family to let the world witness the legacy of Oromo beauty. Join us for more stories that celebrate African heritage, pride, and resilience, and let's keep these traditions alive together.